Namaste and welcome back to my channel. So the plan today is to go to a faraway eco beach and waterfall and just get totally off the beaten track. So I'm going to get the bus from Gokarna bus station to Kudle and then Kudle to Waterfall. So of course it's always one of these things where there's just no plan with the travel, so you see how I do it, and then you can do it if you wish to get off the beaten track. And of course I'll tell you the costs along the way, and of course what to see, what to do, entry fees if there are any. So yes, useful vlog. So yes, I'm going to get far from the maddening crowds of Kudle Beach and Beach. But it can be argued that I love to be part of those maddening crowds.
Happy journey, Kaveri!
Thank you! Okay! But there is a yogi side to me as well, where I just like my peace and meditative peace and like to explore things that visitors don't know about. So it's nice to teach people about these things too, in case they wish to find their inner peace and their inner yogi peace. So it takes about 45 minutes to walk from my home on Kudle Beach, Crazy Beach, to Gokarna town where the bus stop is, and I am just by the dosa shop. I'm on the 8:45 AM bus to Kudle, which is about 45 minutes to an hour away. This bus ride was 37 rupees. They always charge me different when I get a bus to Kudle, but I think it just depends on the time of day you get the bus, perhaps. I don't know. Something I've never really questioned, because the bus fare is always quite cheap anyway. Okay, so yeah, 8:45 bus. I was lucky to get it because I'd only just arrived at Gokarna bus stop. And yeah, the bus is a bit rickety and the sun's very strong. So there's a bit of confusion. There's no changing at Kudle. That's where the confusion came in. So stay on the same bus because I got off this bus looking for the bus to Waterfall and they just directed me back to this bus. So again, it's very good to watch these videos from the point of view that you learn how to get to the secret places. So after the confusion, we are now leaving Kudle. it is 10 o'clock. So it'll be about another hour now to the Eco Beach. So I will be there at about 11, I would say, approximately. Things don't always go on time, as we know. And of course, a lot of it is dependent on traffic. So I need to find out how much extra I need to pay for the bus as well, and I will let you know. And I did do the all-important ritual, lovely bus, saying bye to all my friends on Kudle Beach and Orm Beach, aka Crazy Beach. Bye!
Happy journey!
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you. Bye. Bye. Oh, bye-bye, baby.
Happy journey.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you. So I got off the bus. The bus driver told me where to get off. It was only an extra 20 rupees, so 57 rupees to come to Eco Beach. Got a coconut. Ooh. And this lovely man here, the coconut man. Can you see him? So the coconut man has been really helpful. So basically, I got off the bus, crossed the road, got to this coconut stand, and the coconut man said I just need to walk straight and turn right, first right. So, and it will take about 10 minutes to get there. So yeah, I'll just enjoy my coconuts. At the moment, the walk seems pretty straightforward, just following the instructions from the coconut man, and seems to be going according to a plan. Fingers crossed, it kind of stays that way. And this place just, oh, immediately when I made that right turn, it just felt so beautiful and so peaceful. So yeah, here I am, hopefully soon arriving at Eco Beach. I've just seen so much beauty and I haven't even stepped on the beach yet. So nice. So just to let you know, facility wise it's so limited. There's one shop that will sell you water, your cups of tea, your snacks, but it's closed. So my advice is just to pack. Don't be like me, because literally I just bought a couple of bottles of water and no snacks. So don't know what I'm going to do really. Now there's a clip I would like to show you.
Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line.
So it's a very sensitive place. There's you know, it's ecology. At the end of the day, it's about protecting our environment, yet it looks as if visitors have come here and they've just thrown their rubbish on the floor. Yet there are bins and recyclable bins around, and that poor lady had to pick up other people's rubbish. So, you know, this lady works here, but I think if we can just take that responsibility, especially being in an eco place, it is very, very important. And I will show you the rubbish bins, so there are plenty of bins.
Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone.
The shop has opened, so I've managed to get some water. So I will be drinking that out of a proper water bottle now. And of course recycling the plastic. And now we're of course in an eco place, but I always recycle plastic anyway. Snacks are pretty limited in this shop. It's quite a remote place, so I managed to get these, which look really interesting. So I'll give them a try because I am hungry. Really nice snacks. They're nice. That beach, that forest and these falls, and you really wouldn't know about it unless you were a local here in Waterfall. So yeah, it's as I was saying, if you come to places like Gokarna and Kudle Beach and Orm Beach, it's certainly worth exploring the off the beaten track or off the beaten path or off the beaten road, or places where just the tourists do not go. It really is an amazing, calming, happy feeling. Oh, and just to let you know, there are snack shops that are always open on the way to the waterfalls if you want more variety of snacks and drinks, because it's very, very limited at the Eco Beach area. So the auto driver has dropped me back at the beach area. That is great, because it just means I can do things like buy water, use the loo, have a dip in the sea, because it's just so close to the bus stop. So once I've done those things, I can get my bus back. And yeah, definitely looking forward to going back to the beach. I can't even begin to tell you how I'm feeling at the moment. I feel amazing. Yes, I went back into singing again. Sorry, lovelies, it was more swimming than filming. The beach was so nice. So it's now 2 o'clock, which means that I've had 3 hours. Yeah, around about 3 hours here. If I'm honest, that's sufficient time. Simply because I've done the forest walk, I've done the beach, I've done the taking the auto out to do the waterfall. That's lovely. So not much in the way of lunch, it's more snacks. So you might want to bring some lunch with you. So it was really nice, and I think it's just a matter of putting my rubbish in the bin now before heading home. So what I really like about this is it raises our consciousness of being environmentally friendly, although I am. It's just making me that little bit more conscious, which is just gorgeous, and I'm just feeling very liberated and happy. That's what it's brought out of me, this trip. So I'm actually back in an auto. Apparently the bus stop on the way back to Kudle and Gokarna, it's way out. So I've got to get an auto, but I'm sharing it with a few other people, and he's only going to charge me 10 rupees, which is great. So I managed to get the auto to take me to the town, which is where the bus stop is, the main bus stop, so that is great for 10 rupees as well, so happy. So I did that, and then there was a bus already waiting for Comfort. I could have waited for a direct bus to Gokarna, but I just thought, no, the bus to Comfort's there, I'll go and I'll break the journey. And it's great that I did, because I really want to have some lunch, so I'm just sitting in a dosa place at the moment. Get another dosa today. This time it's going to be a masala dosa. The last bus back to Gokarna is until 7:30, so I've got ages, but at the same time I don't want to leave it too late. I do want to do a bit of online work here whilst I can, but again, just be conscious of time, because of course, solo woman traveller. And as a solo woman traveller in India, you will need to be quite streetwise, because I've already been asked twice if I'm single. So, my answer to that is no, I have a husband. So just a little tip as a solo woman traveller. Okay, I'm just going to chill out, have some lunch, do a bit of online work, and then get my bus back to Gokarna. So after a lovely lunch and get some work done, the work that I wanted to get done, that's great. I'm now on the Waterfall bus back now. So we should reach about 5 o'clock now in Gokarna, which means I've just about made it for the walk home before it gets too dark. Wow, I arrived back at my home on Kudle Beach in time for sunset. Perfect timing with that view, and also time-wise to actually get back to Kudle with being a solo female traveller, as I said earlier. So yes, that's really good. I've got home on time, and I've spent the day being really, really streetwise as, you know, single woman travelling in India. So Eco Beach was really, really beautiful. I've just found out actually that it's actually been given a blue flag, which means it's one of the bestest beaches here in Karnataka. Wow. Doesn't surprise me though, just that feeling you get is just so surreal. And just being in the yogi eco space and raising our consciousness with that beautiful beach and the forest and the waterfall, just out in pure nature, off the beaten track. And yeah, brilliant. So solo female traveller, yogi traveller, we've covered both of those, and budget traveller. So my spends were 800 rupees, so that was for buses, so 2 hours one way was the ride, 2 hours back the other way. So yeah, 2 bus rides, 2 meals, snacks, entrance fees, auto rickshaws for 800 rupees. It's nothing. It's under £10, which is about $10. So you can imagine spending that in the West, couldn't you, for a day out like that? To do that for under £10 is just amazing. Yeah, under 1,000 rupees, under $15, shall we say. So yeah, stayed within the budget as well, because I did actually want to spend under 1,000 rupees. If I got an auto, it would have been probably, I don't know, 2,000, 2,500, so way over budget. So yes, we've mastered it all. What an amazing day. So I'm going to sit here on Kudle Beach now and have a well-deserved cup of tea. Ah, that would be great. I might have a masala chai. So in that case, I'm going to end the vlog here today. Thank you all very much for watching. Shanti 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 on the Mushjavaya. Any questions about the travel or budget or how to travel alone in India, then just comment below, and of course I will answer with some tips and some techniques for sure. So thank you all very much for watching. If you like what you see and you see what you like, you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. That will be received with much gratitude. So kisses, mwah, and see you on the next vlog, and bye for now.